Welcome back, students. In this video, we're going to learn about different shapes of production possibility curve and what does it have to do with the opportunity cost. We'll also try to learn how to calculate opportunity cost using the production possibility curve. So let's just go. Let me start with defining opportunity cost. Opportunity cost is the cost of giving up the next best alternative, or you can also define it as the foregone benefit associated with alternative that is given up. Now you can have two types of opportunity costs. You can have constant versus increasing opportunity cost, and this is going to affect how the production possibility curve is going to look like. So let's just first have a look at the constant opportunity cost curve. Constant opportunity cost is when you have to give up same amount of a good or service when producing an extra unit of another good or service. Let's suppose you're again producing robots and computers, and you take computers on the x-axis and you take robots on the y-axis, and you have computers from 0, 1 all the way till 6, and you have robots from 2 all the way 12. That means you can maximum produce either 12 robots or you can produce 6 computers if you utilize all of your resources. Now let's suppose that we are only producing robots here, and we are at a point where we are producing 12 robots and 0 computers. And we move down from that point downwards to 10 robots to produce an additional computer. So when we produce an additional computer from 0 to 1, we have given up 2 robots. Similarly, when we produce an additional computer, we move from 1 to 2, we give up 2 more robots. And when we move from 2 to 3, we again give up 2 computers. So that means every time we add 1 extra computer into our production, we give up 2 computers. This is constant opportunity cost. Every time it is costing us 2 robots to produce an additional computer. In this case, we are going to have the production possibility curve, which is going to be a straight line downwards. Now let's just see why the production possibility curve is bowed outward. For that, we have to understand first the law of increasing opportunity cost. And the law of increasing opportunity cost states that as the output of a particular product increases, the opportunity cost of producing additional units rises. That means as you will keep on producing additional unit of one good, you'll have to give up more and more of the previous good. So let's just see how the production possibility curve with an increasing opportunity cost is going to look like. Now assume that we are producing robots and pizza in an economy, and we take robots on x-axis and we take pizza in millions on y-axis. This is how the production possibility curve is going to look like, which is going to be bowed outwards, and we can label it as PPC. Now let's suppose that we have 1, 2, 3 robots and we label this as 7. So when we are producing 7 million pizzas, we are producing only 3 robots. But when we increase our production from 3 robots to 5 robots, we had to give up 1 million pizzas. So you see, when we are adding 2 robots, we are giving up 1 million pizza. So the opportunity cost of producing 2 additional robots is 1 million pizza. But let's just see what happens as we move down the PPC curve. As we move down the PPC curve, let's say we are at a point where we are producing 3 million pizzas and we are only producing 9 robots. But when we have to produce an additional robots from this point onwards, let's see what happens. We have to give up 2 million pizzas only for 1 robot, 1 extra robot that we are producing. Now the difference here is that previously we were producing 2 additional robots and we were only giving up 1 million pizzas to produce additional 2 robots. However, when we move from 9 to 10, we see that we have to give up more pizza. It's just an extra robot that we are adding, unlike previous 2 robots, but we have to give up 2 million pizzas instead of only 1 million pizza. Previously, per unit cost of robot was $500 million pizza, but in this case, per unit cost, opportunity cost in terms of pizza is 2 million pizzas. So you can see as we are moving down the production possibility curve, the opportunity cost is increased. Let's just go back to the same graph that we had previously and start with this question, that what is the opportunity cost of producing an additional computer? We can see when we move from 0 to 1, okay, we give up 2 robots. So that means the opportunity cost of producing an additional computer is 2 robots, as simple as that. And what is the opportunity cost of producing an additional robot? Let's say we are producing 6 computers and we are producing 0 robots, and we move from 0 to 2 robots, and we just have to give up 1 computer. So how can we calculate the opportunity cost of producing an additional robot? All we have to do is to take this 1 that we are giving up as a numerator and 2 that we are adding up as a denominator. So we divide 1 by 2, and this will give us an opportunity cost of producing an additional robot, which is half a computer. So this is how we calculate the opportunity cost using the production possibility curve. In the next video, we'll see what causes the shifts in the production possibility curve. So see you in the next video.